Hello, I will show you my ADO project now. I'll go through the list and try to show the code pertaining to each section of the list. Okay. Demonstrate the use of visual inheritance. Okay. So my base form is in here, and this is a separate form right here. And I have two other forms, so the view form and the add form. And to see the code for this, here's my base right here, and here are my other forms which inherit the base. And I'll show you a table of data. So I'll connect to my creatures database in Vue, and here are all the tables within it. And there's one of the tables, another, the other. So I'll show this one. Use a combo box, text box mechanism to request specific records. So I will go back to View and select table creatures. And here are my methods right here to do something with, sort through the record. So I'll focus on name contains and just do I. So that's what I ended up with. Or I could do equals, and there it is. And that was a list view. So expose properties and methods to the user interface. Again, right here are string methods. Execute and return output from the stored procedure. Alright. I'll do wait and greater than. That is my stored procedure. Wait greater than 20. And there it is. Okay. An aggregate query. My aggregate query, I'll just add the levels here. Sum 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll do wait as well. 75. Alright. Adding records to the database. Okay. I'll try Northwind to show. We'll do categories. Now it's showing me the column and the data type. So I'll do that. This is text, text, text. So I've added it. Now say I want to do this and I put the wrong data type. This is integer, so I'm doing text. Finish this off. It doesn't even go. It failed right there, so it doesn't even try to put it into the table. And we can view that as well. So 999 right there. So I verified the input before it was sent to the database. Trap all errors appropriately. Okay, let's see if I can start an error here. Well, there's an error. There, it's showing me right in the code what method the error occurred in, and it just redraws. I've never had the program crash out without an error being prompted, so I believe I've trapped all errors appropriately. Now I'm gonna try to show you the code to this. The combo box, text box, that right there. Let's see. Okay, it's when I click this button is when it occurs. So here's a code. When I do the equals for the combo box, this occurs. I could explain all this, however, I don't have too much time to do so. So I'm going to just focus over the code, and then I suppose you can look from there. Here's it for contains. Count. Here's the stored procedure. I had to create 3 strings and then execute them individually. I couldn't use the go keyword. Unfortunately, it's not supported by SQL. So here's me doing each string individually. Here's one, and another. Okay. So I use a data reader. Here it is. Okay, those were methods. They were string methods. What I was doing there. Like for contains. I'm using like, which is just like the string method for dot contains. Okay, the aggregate query. Here's the code for that. Occurring, average, and also sum. Same way. Okay, verify the input. This occurred in form 2. Alright, this is some ugly code. It all occurs in one method, no less. What happens is it doesn't continue if it's failed. So here's a fail boolean, and it becomes true if it cannot parse the integer. Text it'll always run through text, but an integer needs to be an integer. Text can have numbers, of course. So if it can't become an integer, then it fails, and then it won't even try building the SQL command string and then executing that command string. And furthermore, it instead of using parameterized queries, I'm just removing what will end it prematurely to cause injection to occur. I'm just getting rid of those quotations from occurring. It just becomes empty if they occur, and it's the same functioning. I think that's everything. If there's anything else, please send me a message and I will try to elucidate it for you. Thank you.